Let's check out the Kiki-Doo trimmer and clipper combo pack. Let's see what we got in this box. Ooh. So it comes with an accessory bag for carrying it around in. In that bag, you have a very long comb. Wow, that thing's humongous. Instruction booklet and a comb that is kind of a pick comb combo. This looks to be oh, cool. This is an apron. Is that what they call those that they put over you in the salon? Drape. Hey, so it's a drape for the hair. This thing's got everything in it. Check that out. Okay. There is an accessory box. This thing has a ton of clipper attachment accessories. Yeah. So you have your charging cord. You got two charging cords. A whole bunch of different size guards. And a cleaning brush. This is the trimmer. And here is the clippers. And the clippers do have a guard over them. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty nice. All right. So you have, like I said, you have your different guards that you can put on there for different hair lengths. They are USB battery powered, so they're cordless. You press and hold the power button to get it to come on. You actually have different RPMs that you can select by tapping the power button until it goes back off. You have the same thing with the little trimmer. Press and hold it, and then you can change the RPMs. And the trimmer also does have some guards that comes with it as well. On the hair clippers, you do have some adjustments for some little bitty fine adjustments. All right, let's get this out of the way and get started. Here we go. But I'm just kidding. I go to a professional barber and I'm gonna take these over to him and let him try them out. And I'll show you the results after. I'm back from the barbershop with a nice cleaned up haircut. Now, he used the Kiki-Doo trimmer and clipper set on my left side. Here's some action shots of that going on. Starting out with the clippers, getting everything kind of knocked down. Then he switches to the trimmers to get everything nice and tight. On my right side, he did use his more expensive clippers and trimmers. And I know that you can't tell the difference in the video. He said he was overall impressed with this set. It did have a slight more gap in it. His were closer to a 0 gap than these. And so his was able to get just a tiny bit closer. One of the things that he really did like about these is the variable speed to where you can adjust the RPMs for however you like to use it. But yeah. Overall, he said he was really impressed with them, especially at the price point they're at.